about group. First of all, let's talk about group. What is a group? In class, there is a group, any kind of collection or anything else. Let's not go through. Let's not go to Linux. First, we talk generally. Anything in a collection, group of people, group of community, language, anything else. Group is just a collection. Let's come to the Linux topic. Group. A group is a collection of users that need to share access to files and other system resources. It is used to grant access to files to a set of user instead of a single user. What we did in user, we only access what we have. In group can access the files or anything's not anything's file access files to set of users instead of instead of just a single user. We have two terms in group name and group identification number, which is known as GID. Group name, that is identified by users humans, where you can simply known as group name. Then GID is assigned to system to know about the group ID, about the group also. Then come to the types of group in Linux. We have two types of group in Linux. First one is primary group, second one is supplementary group. In primary group, every user has exactly one primary group. Every user has exactly a one primary group. For local user, group listed by GID number in etc / password. It's password, but we wrote PASSWD. This is the group that will own new file created by the user. Whenever a new user comes, it has automatically get a primary group. Then comes to the supplementary group. What's that supplementary group? Supplementary, it's like a membership. Membership in supplementary group is determined by etc / group. अबे टिकटै भइरहेछ दुईटा रेकर्ड भएछ